Here's my FPV Pusher Plane by Mikey's RC. I've got a 15 channel 1.2 gigahertz 700 milliwatt video transmitter going to a security camera 2000 540 TVL mini spy cam. I'm not really sure what the lens is on there, and I've got the little keychain camera from Hobby King. I've got a dipole V something antenna tuned to 1280 megahertz because this is supposed to be 1280 on the 15th channel, I believe. I run a 3-cell 3000 milliamp LiPo, power everything off it through the balance tap. I've got 5 amp BEC and 25 amp ESC from Hobby King. That's a 8 channel Corona synthesized receiver. I got the Tower Pro SG90 9-gram servos all the way around, and I'm gonna mount the camera that I'm holding right here, right there. It's supposed to be a 1000 kV motor. I've had it for a while now. I never put it on anything. And a 10x47 slow flight prop. I added rudders to the plane. Didn't have rudders in it. Also added a KF step, 1/3 of the wing cord, just mainly to have a nice place to kind of cover my components. There's the video receiver that came with the transmitter off eBay. I added a Dean's plug, and I've got a ground plane antenna tuned to 1280 megahertz. I added the SMA connector. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. Should. I mean, I saw a diagram. That's the only reason I added it. Somebody posted one in that 1.2 gigahertz thread, transmitter and receiver thread. That's about it. It flies pretty good. There's no dihedral. The plane, the original plans called for dihedral, and this part here is a little bit wider in the plans, but I had that scrapped and I didn't feel like cutting another fresh sheet, so it works fine. Works. The rudders are nice. Thought about putting a gyro on it, but it flies fine. Hands off once it's trimmed out. It flies real nice. I use some tri-immersion hacked goggles, and I'm using the Turnigy 9X with a junior 72 megahertz module. I got a Spectrum module in there now, but trust me, I'm flying on 72 megahertz, and I've got the wonderful ER9X firmware installed on this baby. Works great. Look there, let me know. And then I've added my program report for a USB Tiny, and there's for my head tracker, the plug-in, and that's about it. It's my setup.